G'day and welcome to 2021. Let's hope 2021 is going to be better than 2020. You would think at least it can't be any worse. I hope you had an enjoyable Christmas and New Year, notwithstanding the restrictions that the government had to bring down during that period. From my point of view, I certainly had a wonderful time, made the most of what we had. I managed to get together with my wife Marion's family before the restrictions came down. The Marsden clan get-together of about 50 people usually happens on Boxing Day, but unfortunately there were too many of us and half of them come from the northern beaches anyway, so it simply didn't happen. That was a bit sad, but we'll do something in a couple of months' time if restrictions ease. So far as my family was concerned, Marion and I got together with our kids and their partners and our 7 grandchildren on Christmas Day, and that was wonderful. I hope you had an enjoyable time over that period as well. On the COVID issue, I still think the New South Wales Health and the New South Wales Government are doing a great job. Not necessarily perfect, but this is new territory still, even though it's 12 months old. And there will be some missteps, but they're fixing them up as they go and they're doing it exceptionally well. I believe that New South Wales is doing better than anywhere else, not just in Australia, but in the world. That's despite what the Western Australian Premier said the other day. I think that 2021 will be a better year. The vaccines are already starting to be distributed, and there is a plan by the New South Wales and by the federal and state governments to start vaccinations in late February, early March. Hopefully that means that the second half of 2021 is going to get back to a relative normality, albeit a new normality, but a relative normality. From Marsden's point of view, we're all back on deck on Monday. A lot of us have had a break. I haven't had a significant break, but I intend to have a couple of days off this week. We are still COVID safe, and we will make sure that we are ahead of the game. So don't hesitate about coming in, and whilst it is not necessary for you to wear masks, if you wish to wear one, we certainly have no objection. Your temperature will be taken, and you'll have to register on the New South Wales Government website. We are and always have been ahead of it, and we will continue that way. In the meantime, look after yourself and stay safe.